Look who's back, guys! It's me, and this is the studio video, the first one, and it's gonna be bad because that's all that's in here. And all that has is a laptop, a whole bunch of cameras I'm gonna show you because I have cameras, woohoo, awesome, and more cameras. That's basically all that's over there, a picture as well. And then over here is a closet, which I'm gonna be storing everything. And this is just mostly an update to say I'm starting the studio build. Today I'm gonna be getting more furniture anyways, so in the next couple days there's gonna be a whole nother video having furniture. And I'm gonna be moving everything around, probably getting an actual PC, not just, well, mine's an actual PC, a desktop, not a laptop. These walls are so ugly, but at the same time, I can literally hang anything on them with things like command strips and everything, and that's awesome. And in here, we have my storage for the studio, which opens up. And then I have a bag right there and a whole bunch of junk up there, which means I can keep a whole bunch of stuff in here without having to worry about it. And then I have the desk, which has a chair at a place. This might be permanent in here, but it will not be the main desk. Laptop, several GoPros, GoPro charger, their grand pole, a really old GoPro that I never use, which just gets to be a desk ornament, which I love about that. And I bet you I'm out of focus because I'm using manual focus, I'm pretty sure right now. Picture frame that has something about freaking doing what you need to do in life. That's great. And yeah, overexposed window, more walls, tons of outlets I get to work with. I have 3 outlets in this room, so that means I can basically have 3 desks, and then I just need 3 desks. I like desks, I don't know why, but yeah. So yeah, everything in here is just bare bones right now. I get to create whatever I want, because this table doesn't even have to stay. I can move that out and use it as like a dining room table or something like that, because I'm living alone. So yeah, this whole thing is bare bones, and there is probably a sick echo going on right now. And I have my Rode mic in right now, and I bet you it still sounds so bad. Like it sounds like I'm like yelling down a school hallway or something like that. First, would you like to see GoPro videos? Videos about GoPro hacks, all that kind of stuff. I have multiple of them. I love these things. They are perfect for any nature YouTuber or anyone who's into sports. They are basically a backbone of YouTube, anything outdoors. If you're not gaming, you should have a GoPro. If you're a vlogger, GoPros are good for B-roll. If you are a nature guy, B-roll, vlog, it's everything. It's waterproof. Like, I'm not even waterproof. I die in the water. I think humans do that. I don't know. Yeah. So before I end up ending the video, I want to talk about a channel I like. So I'm not going to do this a lot. I don't like want to shout out a whole bunch of channels like this guy's good, he's pretty good over there. But Exploring with the Nug. Come on. Great channel. It's a diving channel. He basically is a small D almighty. He's been working really great. He does streams. He's gotten up on the news. He has, I think he's approaching 700 subscribers right now. And I mean, that's fairly small for someone who's producing content like he is. I really want to help him out. So if this series gets big for me working on my studio, I want to know that he can benefit from it. If any of you guys want to see his content, I'll have a link in the description. With that, hit the bell icon if you like the video, if you're in the playlist for this where I actually build the studio up, comment like where you are with it and everything, and how you like it so far in each of the videos. And I want to take in some criticism because I haven't done this yet before. So if you've ever done anything with a studio, done any work, anything like the desk wise, comment below what you've done, anything about cable management, because that's going to be annoying as heck. Cables are ugly. But yeah, any help is appreciated. That's what the word I was looking for. I don't need your help. I'm an independent man. Well, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.